Welcome to Unique Views YouTube channel. Today I have brought an important video for you as usual. In this video I am talking about making peaceful mind. Especially I will discuss on how to make your mind peaceful by following the rules of the law of attraction. Please watch this video from start to end and don't miss to subscribe to this channel for the new such types of videos. Let's begin. Peace is spread one person at a time. Although world peace is something that would require all people to think positively and practice respect, not everyone has received the law of attraction memo. For some, they believe peace is earned through violence, and because of their beliefs, wars are fought and battles are lost. But you can make a difference in spreading world peace by being a shining example of what peace is. What to do? The main thing is to be willing to make change in the way of think, feel and behave. You should fill your head and life with peaceful thoughts and actions so that others will believe it when you talk. Let go of violent thoughts, hatred, greed, lies, and discrimination, and embrace peaceful thoughts, love, generosity, truth, and acceptance of diversity. Create positive affirmations to instill new peaceful beliefs to replace any that might pull you away from it. If you are truly passionate about making peaceful change, make it your career. There are many different jobs that are meant to help keep the peace in the world. You could even begin your own movement. Now I am giving some important affirmations for making your mind peaceful. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly. I choose to be at peace in all that I do. The world is a peaceful place for me. My family and friends are peaceful people. It is easy for me to keep this peace wherever I am. Peaceful thoughts and feelings enter my mind every day. These are the affirmations that are very important for us. Practicing these affirmations, obviously it will help for making our mind peaceful. Now let's talk on the visualization techniques to make your mind peaceful and calm. This visualization is absolutely wonderful to perform at night because the setting is already very peaceful and serene. Visualize the world existing in perfect harmony and what it would be like. See people from all walks of life coexisting without any animosity or hatred. Imagine them smiling as they pass in the streets and building their communities on concepts of accepting people regardless of what they look like or believe. Think about how grateful you are for the amount of peace that we already have. Think of peaceful situations and picture yourself having people in your life that live peacefully. Visualize the honorable way you have seen others act by choosing peace even when it wasn't easy. Be thankful for these things as you fall asleep. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some important ideas and tips to make your mind calm and peaceful. Thank you.